pull up to the first location. There's a train passing while people are actually burning out right now. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. We got the train in the background. Stupid cold right now. My hands are frozen. My dick is frozen. You got the boxer in the house? Oh, what's cracking, Jay? What's up? What's up? Oh, this guy's very horny all the time. He got the Mexico flag out. I like that. What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking, Blake? What's up? Look at this badass GTO here. He wants me to record this, but we got this right now. Yeah, the GA has gone wild, guys. What the hell is that? A naked doll? Hell yeah! The doll is fully naked. He's biting the nipple, guys. This guy's a horny bastard. He's biting the nipple. Oh, we got the cops pulling in everybody's money. Track Star Edition. We got the kids here. Forget Disney. We're bringing the kids here. Cops pulled up. We're in a traffic jam right here, guys. A lot of cars here. Oh, Doc, he's off-roading.
Hey, my cousin didn't come today, man.
That's coming in hot. Oh, we got a little Prius gone wild. All right, I see you, girl. Oh, we got the cops. Cops came in sneaky right now. How many are there? There are 2 cops right now, guys. Pulling up to the next location, we already have the clouds and we have a lot of people. Oh, we got a Ford in the house. E-brake. Versus it. Oh, we got that SS. Oh, he's kicking him out. Look, he's kicking him out. Damn, he kicked him out. I saved him. I saved you. I saved my boy's life. I saved my boy's life. He was a sitting duck. expect. Yeah, and these babies could swing. Le gusta el pene duro, le digo. Right now they're doing the insurance claim. How's the insurance claim coming along?
Insurance sale.
Yeah, let me see. Oh.
Casi nada, güey, casi nada.
Oh, that's not. What about this one here? What do you think about the insurance claim right now? What the? I'm in the truck right here. Insurance claim is done. Hey, that was low-key lit as hell. Alright, so that's the truck I was in. Now we got the GTO right now, coming out live right now. Me gustó, sí. Me gustó. Got the homie with the GTO. I know, I'm gonna tell him. That's one sick ass GTO, guys. I knew you were on the cover. Show me. Damn, todos se cagaron, güey. Should he keep going or park it?
Nah, park that shit!
Oh, he's in reverse! Hey, you like that?
My Mustangs are better, what the fuck? Yeah, we got a reverse, guys.
Go, go,
on the straight zone.
You're good.
Oh.
Keep going forward. Keep going. That shit. You broke my train.
All right, I'm out of here. Where did you come from?
The Bay Area, bro.
That's right. From the Bay too? That's right. That's Craig. What's up, bro? What's up? Hey, what happened to your hand? What are you doing?
I was breaking it.
Oh, damn, that was a strong sesh, huh?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, shit. You said TFTI in that?